Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute since I have uploaded. That looks like a good movie. It's been a minute since I've uploaded anything, and that's mainly because of time. I moved, blah blah blah, all of that jazz. But anyway, that's another video. The reason that you're getting this intro instead of the original intro is because when I was editing the video, I noticed that there was absolutely no sound in the beginning part of the video. So I was like, hey, I think I have to re-record something, and this is what I'm re-recording. So what you're about to watch obviously is about me opening up my box that I ordered from Hairfinity. You guys already knew that because it's in the title. Yeah, let's just watch it. So, let me cover that up. Went and got my scissors. I'm about to open up my box. I'm sitting on my bed. Brock Beauty, I guess that is what they go by, but whatever. Let me get to opening. So, finally got the box open. This is the first thing that I see. I actually did go ahead and repackage it because it did not open like this. I'm going to insert a little clip of how it was. The bubble wrap was actually on top of it. All of the products were under it. Like, I did this to get the picture, so this is why it looks familiar. Anyway, this is the first thing that I pulled out. Obviously, the packing slip. I got the 2-month supply of the Hairfinity Healthy Hair Vitamins for $49. I actually had a code that was emailed to me, and I put it on the site during the checkout, and I thought it applied. Apparently not. The other thing that I got here is the Ultimate Revival Kit. That was 96 bucks. Altogether 145. That is a lot to me. Like, focus. Look, it can't even focus on how much it is. It is a lot. I don't know if it's a lot for y'all. Some of y'all may have more bank than I do, whatever. That's expensive, so the shit better work. And obviously the refund and money back guarantee. I wonder if it says anything like, if your hair does not grow, send it back within 30 days of purchase. Unsatisfied with the product, blah blah blah. You must have used the product as directed. Like, how can you tell if somebody has used the product as directed? Whatever. To reject any return that does not comply with the requirements. The return does not apply to t-shirts. I didn't even know they sold t-shirts. Oh yeah, the lens check shirts. Oh, whatever. Anyway, so this is my packing slip. Super basic, duh. There's also a pamphlet or a booklet of the different items that they have. I have, again, the healthy hair vitamins. They also have some chewables. I don't know how I feel about that. Like, they look like candy. I don't know. Anyway, I got the vitamins. I didn't get anything from this side, so let's not even sort of worry about that side. I got this stuff. So even though it doesn't say the revival kit, all of these are in the revival kit, this whole side of the page, and they all offer a different benefit. Like, the mask is you're supposed to see 90% reduction in breakage. The oil, 95% reduction in breakage. The conditioner, that's the conditioner, right? No, that's the cleansing shampoo. That's 82, and the conditioner is 87. I didn't get anything from this side, so just this side, and then of course the pills. So let's actually see the product. I'm not gonna open up any of them. I'm gonna do that for my next video, which is gonna be a wash video, obviously, of me using this. So by the time I actually edit this video and load and record the actual wash video, they kind of probably be like one behind each other, obviously. But no, I'm not gonna wash my hair until this weekend. And today is Tuesday at 11 o'clock. I just really wanted to open these because I want to start taking this in the morning to see. And it is the 2nd, so I will be back. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Tuesday the 2nd. So I'll be back with you guys. Refocus. I'll be back with you guys in a month after I finish one bottle to tell you guys, you know, what I see, any differences like that, obviously. But before I wash my hair or use any of this stuff, I am going to obviously do an intro and show how my hair looks, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, back to what I actually ordered. Let's go in like the different steps. So obviously the first step would be the vitamins. Since you take these every day, they come in a bottle of 60, which makes sense because you are supposed to take 2 capsules daily. So 30 times 2, 60, 1 month, month 2. Okay. Gentle Cleanse shampoo. It's 12 fluid ounces. Obviously, Hairfinity, the bra company. It is sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, and it's pretty much basic. The only difference that I see with this, as far as other shampoos, they tell you, you know, how much, or they would recommend that you use. This does not. Under the directions, it just says apply to wet hair and massage to make a lather. Rinse with warm water. Follow with Hairfinity Balance Moisture Conditioner. The expiration after open is 12 months. Pretty basic. I wonder how it smells. Of course, I'll check that out when I actually have wash day. This is the Balance Moisture Conditioner. 12 fluid ounces. Same jump off, same thing. Same little snippet at the top. This is supposed to be a hydrating conditioner. Well, it's moisturizing, so it should be hydrating. Does this have the recommended size? No, it doesn't. Apply to wet hair, comb through, and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse as a deep moisture treatment. Cover with a plastic cap and apply heat for 15 minutes and rinse. But yep, I'll probably wind up turning this into probably a deep conditioner or a deep treatment once I actually get to it. They did not care about my packaging, and Jesus, you could tell by that box that's over there that I ain't touched yet. But anyway, this is there. So that would be, wait, okay, so the pills is step 1, right? Step 1. Shampoo, step 2. Conditioner, step 3. And then I'm guessing, just because it just only makes sense, this would be step 4, which is the strengthening amino mask. Directions. Does this have a size amount? No. Apply to wet hair after shampooing with Hairfinity Gentle Cleanse shampoo. Comb through and cover with the plastic cap and leave for 15 minutes. Apply heat for deeper penetration. Rinse. And this is how that looks. It's a super cute container. Expiration on this is probably 12 months. 12 months. It shouldn't last that long, I'm thinking. No shampoo and conditioner does. And this ugly box would be step, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Step 5. Nourishing botanical oil. My box looks trash. Like, I wonder, like, they just did not care. Like, legit, the bubble wrap was on top of all the products, and they were just in there just living their best life. But anyway, so for some reason, I didn't really pay attention when I was ordering it. I thought it was a spray, but it's oil droplets. Again, it is 1.76 fluid ounces. I don't know why I said again, because I don't honestly remember if I already said that. I am floating. Directions: apply to wet or dry hair as necessary, which is pretty common. Oil, 12 months. I'm guessing. Yeah, 12 months. My loves is the unboxing of all of my products that I just ordered from Hairfinity. For $145, I definitely better see some change, some growth, something. Because I read a few reviews that wasn't so nice about their products, but I definitely wanted to just give it a go and try for myself, especially because my lock journey is getting deeper in it. Somebody just text me. Oh, I finished something standing goal achieved. I'm not even standing up. Like, the reviews were like, I saw growth, but it was stringy growth. It wasn't real. Oops. It wasn't real growth. Blah, blah, blah. Your mama, your mama, your mama. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be up on game whenever I upload a video. Don't forget to follow all of my social medias. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Leave me some comments, likes, and thumbs up. And I mean, if you actually went through this, like, actual revival kit, if you took the pills or did the whole, like, this whole setup step thing, let me know how it worked out for you. Maybe you can give me some tricks, especially if you did it and you have locks. So definitely keep me tuned with that and let me know how you're doing, how you did it, what you liked, what you didn't like, pros and cons. Yeah, because I'm definitely going into this blind, but I have hope. I have hope. Let's hope that it works out for me. But see you guys later. Peace.